Alright guys, part 2 of vlog number 2. Just finished cleaning everything up. You know, it's getting late. By the time you know, it starts freezing out here. And gotta finish this outdoor work. Check it out. Finished it up. See the wood that was over there? Cleaned it up. Yes, we did. That looks a lot. There's mines out here. A few of them. Hold on. There's a few mines out here. Go explore them. But I want like 3,000 likes. I need some more subscribers too. I'm not gonna be doing crazy stuff unless I get the right amount of views, the right amount of likes. I'm not stupid, but I'm trying to get this YouTube money. You know, what's the deal? Get this money. Make something happen. Stop being a procrastinator. Really get to the bag. Working for somebody else is not the key. It's always something better to life. It's always something better to life. Need to clear up all this dead wood. Probably be another day. I'm tired. Check it out, guys. I threw it all under there. Yeah. Cleaning up today. Throwing stuff down there. Throw that stuff down there. That's a lot. I got that strap, you know, just safety. To roll down the hill, look at that steep. Yes. So we're going to those two. Sometimes they're so hard. They're steep. I have to put some concrete down. Everybody keeps telling me the small ones don't work for shit. I'm not getting no small one, no way. I need power out here. Oh, did you guys see this fire pit? Cooking up some stuff. I'll do some food review, some army food review, dry food reviews. I'll cook some squirrels up if I get a 1,500 likes. I'll get a squirrel, trap it, eat it. Same thing with a rabbit. Rabbit's 2,000 likes. 2,000 likes. I'll eat a rabbit. Cook it up, grill it. Look at it. It's creepy. Soaring out here. This is soaring. Looking for food. There's eagles out here. Bears, foxes, deer, moose, elk. It's real out here. Gotta keep a weapon. Never know. The mountain lion population has grown very significantly the last couple of years. Also, the bear population has been up. No wolves. I don't think they're down this far. They're up in Wyoming. But I'm not sure about out here. Not sure.